Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Thursday, September 9th, 2021. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Today for breakfast, we're having cereal and yogurt. For lunch, teriyaki chicken. Tomorrow for breakfast, string cheese and muffin. And for lunch, fish sandwich. Today's announcements. Attendance. Please continue to post attendance in Schoology. We have several teachers that aren't posting. We still have a couple of teachers that can't get to it, but please make sure that you remember to post in Schoology. Masks. Students and teachers are required to wear a mask at all times other than eating. Please help us by masking up. Emergency weather procedures and drills. Teachers, very important. Make sure you review your emergency procedures with your students. Drills will be happening throughout the school year, and we want everyone to be prepared. Late duty today is Miss Granger, and tomorrow is Miss Peralta. Important dates. September 10th, which is Friday, is the deadline for the HMH growth measure. We have been seeing lots of classes take this, so the students are doing a really good job reading the question and trying their very best, so good job, students. September 10th is also the mid-quarter. September 17th is the deadline for the iReady reading diagnostic for grades K through 5 and the math diagnostics for grade K through 3. September 22nd will be our PST meetings. October 8th is the last day of the first quarter. October 11th is Teacher Workday, no school for students, and October 12th is the start of the second quarter. School fundraiser. Our school fundraiser started this week, so students, make sure you give your envelope to the parents. You send out the email invitations to your friends and your family. You write the prize code on the envelope and bring it back to your school, and you'll collect your prize. Teachers, please put any envelopes returned by your students in your red snack bag. Prizes will be fulfilled during the day and returned in the snack bag, okay? You don't have to send the forms up to the office or send them to anywhere. Just drop them in your snack bag and we will fulfill the prizes. The word of the day is consecutive, as in consecutive numbers. These are numbers that are in their counting order. So the numbers in red, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, those are in consecutive order. Those are consecutive numbers. The numbers 1, 3, 4, 2, 9, 5, those are not in their regular counting order. Those are not consecutive. Okay, consecutive are in their regular counting order, one after another. That's all for today's news. Have a thankful Thursday, Kate Shepherd.